Good. So, Tori.
Abby.
Today we're going to talk about the birds and the bees. What about the birds and the bees, Tori?
It's also. No, just kidding.
Birds and bees fly. Okay? That's about how it is.
And they sting bad.
Birds don't stink.
I didn't say stink. I said sting.
I know, they don't sting.
Birds sting.
No, they don't.
I said stink.
Anyways, I don't like birds or bees.
You don't like birds?
I don't like being mocked either.
Yeah.
That's pretty much how life goes. I mean,
Be
you got the birds and the bees.
Yeah.
Then life sucks and you're over.
Back in the tree.
You're not a tree. You're gonna go up in heaven if you're saved.
Or Michael Bubble. Or Bubble. Whatever his name is.
Who's that?
Michael Bubble.
Anyways, back to what we were saying. Then you have the alligators and the frogs.
They bite. And jump.
Frogs don't bite.
They jump.
But alligators don't.
They bite.
So,
What is the alligators and the frogs?
your mom and your dad. That's how you came along, you little tadpole.
I'm the little biting tadpole, ain't I? She's crazy.
No, I'm not.
Abby! Abby, quit talking about them birds and them bees before I had to come in there and slap you in the mouth. Because I will.
No, you won't. So, pretty much,
I wasn't doing nothing.
pretty much we've been awake since 1 yesterday afternoon.
Did I tell you that whenever you were in my bed the other night, you were laughing in your chair? You're going, no, you said, you rolled over, you said, true. I said, what? You said, what I just said. I said, what'd you say? You guys, true. I was like, and then you go, I'm like, what? It scared me.
Was it last night?
No. We didn't go to sleep last night.
I mean, not last night, 2 nights ago.
Yes.
When
Ronald called.
Oh, I know why I was saying true.
Why?
Because I was
in my ear. True.
Stop. Anyways, back to the...
Abby has 3 MySpaces open.
Wow.
That's what your legs look like about right now.
Shut up. She's cracking on me because I have hairy legs.
They're nasty. Mine are nice and prickly.
You don't want to check them out either because they are pretty hairy.
Birthday sex.
Yeah, Tori's getting birthday sex. She's also... Never mind.
3 months.
I don't want nobody's mom to see. So, pretty much, I have a MySpace. Yeah.
I love you, Beth Cooper.
But I'm not going to tell you my name because I don't like stalkers.
Yeah.
Then people like you will come out and try and find me. Ain't that true?
I have a MySpace too.
But don't have it. Okay, well, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.